Welcome to Digitizer Electronic Data Management System. Digitizer Scanning Center does the scanning of paper-based data and converts it to electronic data with the latest OCR technology. The electronic data is stored in cloud storage and Digitizer dedicated client backup servers. The electronic data is indexed, tabulated in the Digitizer Electronic Data Management System, with a set of rules and classifications as defined in the system to ensure smart data search and swift availability. Digitizer system make your information available at any time anywhere around the world. The information is smartly usable by the diversified teams through Digitizer Electronic Data Management System. The Digitizer Dynamic Data Management System is innovatively designed with the latest technology. It enables diversified teams to collaborate more efficiently, giving you a central location in which to upload, access, and revise the information. The system also allows conversation among users, so that your documents can be developed in real time to meet your organization's needs. The data flow in the Digitizer EDMS is secured with the latest encryption technologies. The Digitizer Electronic Data Management System is fed from three sources: Digitizer Scanning Center, Digitizer Real-Time Scanning Facility. The Digitizer system uses. The data flow in the Digitizer system is controlled by defining the organization's, users, workflows, and access control policies. Therefore, the system maintains a unique profile for each user. The users can request, approve, submit, return, and transmit data and files to other users in a secure way. The system provides read-only and modification options to the users on the basis of access rules. The innovative feature of the Digitizer system is, it has a built-in data exchange server, and each data transmission routes through the Digitizer Data Communication Center with an auditable trail of all the transactions. The Digitizer Electronic Data Management System's graphic interface is simple to navigate, easy to adopt, and extremely flexible to customize your organization's needs. As we log into the system, the home screen gives you the list of the action required from your side, which is a list of documents received for your action. You can filter and select the action to be performed. For example, the action requested is approval. If you approve the document, it shall be transmitted to the next user defined in the system through a digital communication center. An automatic email will be generated with the request code and the file shall be transmitted to the defined user. The transaction shall leave an audit trail in your sent items identified with the request code. In case of reject, the file will automatically transmit to the previous user defined in workflow through a digital communication center. The return for modification option will automatically transmit the file to the previous person defined in the workflow with the status returned for modification, keeping the audit trail in the digital communication center. If you need to push the file to a selected user other than defined in the system workflow, the transmit option allows you to transmit the file to any other user bypassing the system workflow if you are allowed. You can add a notification to the document like a sticky note. It will be attached to the document before you transmit the document to the selected user. The system allows you to attach the document to the other available document in the system, and combining document shall be considered a new document with a new code generated by the system. You can send multiple emails back and forth and have a discussion on a document without generating a new transmission activity in the system. To ensure working on multiple documents, users can create folders for a project and put documents in them until they need them. The data wallet option of the system allows users to do document shopping and can request Digitizer action, for example, request hard copies, amended department names, etc. The system maintains the journey of each document within the system and records all the activities performed on such documents. You can see the history of the document, notifications, and all related emails to understand the case before you perform the requested action. The system allows a live chat option with the user to be connected in real time. Similar to the required action list, the system shows the list of requests made by you to the other users. You can forward a request to a new user, attach a new document to the request, notify of the request, and send a reminder to the user. The system shows you the current status of all the requests you have been involved in and what is its current status. You can select, filter and do the action if required on the requests. The backbone of the system is the Digital Record Center, where you can search the document from the storage, It will show all the documents available under the search criteria, whether you are allowed to read them or not. In the latter case, you can request access to the administrator or other user level as may be defined in the system. The document can be searched by unique code or searched by the attributes of the documents. The search result shows you all types of documents available in storage with location code, either box, videotape, CD, file, etc. If you selected documents, the system gives you the option to see the document journey and related emails in the communication center to fully understand if it is what you are looking for. The system shows the shredding due date of the document as per the shredding policies defined in the system. The document can be opened in Document Reviewer for a full scale of options. The document can be printed, modified if allowed, notification can be added, can be attached to another document in the system, can be ordered retrieved or can be cropped to make a new document. The user can upload the document to the system and define the fields. The uploaded document will remain a draft unless the Digitizer system administrator approved the classification and coding of the document. Yet it will be available for transmission and allows us to work on it. The Digital Communication Center controls each transaction made in the system through reference number, request code, and action performed, and allows you to write the email instructions with each transaction made in the system. No transaction can happen outside of the control center, and it provides an auditable trail of the activities performed. The Digitizer EDMS has an electronic mailroom center. The Digitizer scanning team scans the hard papers of the received mail of the client with all the attachment and make it available to the addressee in electronic form. In this module, the addressee can receive it in his email address provided to the system. User can order the hard copy of the mail or forward the electronic version of the email to another user for their action. On approval of the document by the user, the document will become a permanent record in the EDMS. The Contracts Management and Performance Tracking module. Digitizer EDMS contains tools for contract management. It holds the inventory of the contract from the invitation of bid stage to final completion of the contract stage. The system record performance under the contract and payment schedule of the contract in real time. The module allows you to communicate with other users on the contract through Digital Communication Center. The Shredding Center contains the inventory of the documents which have reached the shredding date as per shredding policies defined in the system. The user can either approve the shredding, which will generate a shredding order in the system, or reject shredding and ask to modify the shredding policy. The Digitizer system has a built-in report center that gives the activity details for each user. Users can download, forward, export, and can request customized reports from the administrator. One of the innovative features of the Digitizer EDMS is it records the journey of the documents. When a user searches for a report in Digital Data Center, this module automatically populates the journey of each document appearing in the search result. It shows the attachments made to the documents, the approval and movement in the document with the in-system plus all the notifications attached to the documents. The administration module allows to define and manage the organization, users, access rules, document coding rules, shredding policies, and all parameters of the functioning of the system. The system registers all the users in the address book to be used by the system to make requests and transmissions on the set rules. A digital wallet allows you to do the shopping and create an order to Digitizer for the physical document. The Digitizer electronic management system is user-friendly and easy to use with a high level of security. The system is very flexible to customize. This is a generic demonstration, and we shall customize it to make it perfect for your organization's needs.